We'll guide you through how to install Xampp in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Now we're going to be handing over the video to Pausa, who's going to continue.
Xampp is one of the most popular local development environment for PHP. It comes with Apache, MySQL, PHP, and several additional tools, allowing you to run website and web application directly on your computer without needing a live hosting server. Let's get started. First, just go ahead and open any browser to your liking, and in my case, I'm gonna go with Google Chrome, and in the search bar, just go ahead and search for Xampp and hit enter. Now, just go inside the official website for Xampp, which is from apachefriends.org, and once you are inside the Xampp, you will see download version. So as I'm in Windows operating system, I'm just gonna go ahead and select Windows, and now your setup.exe file will start downloading automatically. If it does not, you will see a button to click here. Just go ahead and click on that. And now you can see my setup.exe file has started downloading. So I'm just gonna wait for it to complete. And once that it has finished downloading, just go ahead and open your file explorer and then navigate to your downloads folder. Now here you will see Xampp. Just go ahead and double click on it to run the setup wizard. Just click on yes if prompted. After that, you will see the Xampp installation welcome screen. So I'm just gonna close all, and now you will see a warning. Just go ahead and click on OK, and then you will see the setup screen. Just go ahead and click on next, and here you can select your components, but you can leave most of the options at default and click on next. And here just leave the installation folder at default, which is inside the C drive, and click on next. And here select your language and click on next, and now click on next, and just wait for the installation of Xampp to be completed on your device. The installer will now copy all required files to your computer. Depending on your system speed, this may take a few minutes. And if the Windows security asks you for permission, just go ahead and click on allow. After that, you can toggle on do you want to start the control panel now, and click on finish. Now your Xampp control panel should open automatically. If it does not open, just go to your Windows search bar and then just go ahead and search for Xampp control panel and just click on open, and now it should open. So I'm just gonna go ahead and maximize it just like so. Now let's verify that everything is working correctly. Inside the Xampp control panel, locate the Apache, which is usually at the top, and then just go ahead and click on start. Next, locate MySQL, which is just below that, and click on start. Just click on yes if prompted. If both services start successfully, their status indicators should turn active, and you should see the port number displayed beside them. This confirms that Apache and MySQL are running properly. Now you can just go ahead and click on admin for Apache, and now your browser should open automatically. If the Xampp welcome page appears, that means Apache is working correctly and Xampp has been installed successfully. From this page, you can also access the phpMyAdmin. phpMyAdmin is a web-based tool that allows you to create and manage MySQL database through a graphical interface. If phpMyAdmin opens successfully, that confirms MySQL is also running correctly. At this point, Xampp is fully installed and ready to use on your Windows 11 computer. You can now begin creating PHP project, testing website locally, and then start managing database directly inside your machine. And that's it. That's how you install Xampp in Windows 11. If you found this guide useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials.